Once on the set, it's a quick revision of his dialogues. A light touch-up. And Devgan's ready to roll.
Ready? Out, please.
Short 5, take 1.
Action. Roll.
एक सेकंड फिर वहाँ से ले लेते हैं and then you come in.
नहीं माना.
Cut it.
As he heads back to the tranquility of his vanity van, Ajay seems distracted. We think that it's the heat that's taken a toll on the star. But there is something else on his mind.
What was the shot like, Ajay? What was the shot like?
I'm very hungry. The scene got over. I have to have lunch now.
So you've got a half an hour break right now, basically.
No, 10 minutes.
10 minutes, wow.
I didn't have lunch. You had lunch?
Yeah.
For Team Satyagraha, the rest of the day is spent between shots and countless trips to the vanity van. Ajay has been riding the wave of success for 20 years now. And behind the scenes, running the Ajay Devgan factory is his loyal entourage. Some of whom have been with the actor since his first shot. Like Harish, his makeup artist of 23 years.
I am Harish. I am doing makeup for Mr. Devgan. And I think it's a pretty long time. Since his first film, Fool or Kaate. That's like 1990.
So 1990, that means you've been working with him now for almost 23 years.
Yeah.
Ready? Silent.
Have you ever considered working for anyone else other than Ajay Devgan?
No, I don't think so.
Why not?
I'm so comfortable. We are like family. He's a boss. He's a god to me, actually. He is a god figure to me. 23 years we're together without any hassle. Okay, small bits are here and there, it's okay, but that's the boss. So I can't imagine working with anybody else.
देखो.
Lekhu is Ajay's man Friday and has been looking after the actor for over 14 years.
तो बस जानना चाहते हो मतलब आप अजय जी के साथ कब से काम कर रहे हो और क्या काम करते हैं अजय जी के लिए?
मैं 97 से करता हूँ। उनका असिस्टेंट, उनका खाने का क्या खाते हैं, चाय कॉफ़ी पानी जो भी ऑर्डर भी जाता हूँ साथ में जाता हूँ, उनका ही देखभाल करता हूँ।
अच्छा, क्या है उनका फेवरेट खाने में, क्योंकि आप तो उनके साथ रोज़ खाते हो?
खाने में ज़्यादा चिकन ही खाते हो।
चिकन ही खाते हो?
चिकन ब्राउन राइस।
अच्छा, और मतलब उनका नेचर कैसा है, मतलब कुछ बताइए। लोग तो सोचते हैं कि अजय देवगन बहुत सीरियस है।
नहीं जी, बहुत अच्छा नेचर है, उनको कोई बड़प्पन नहीं है। अच्छा, सबसे अच्छा बात करते हैं, आपने भी देखा होगा।
Ajay is that kind of a person, I think. People who work with him tend to work with him for a very, very long time. He inspires that kind of loyalty and, I wouldn't say anything else, but just plain caring. He cares about his people who work about him. He'll take care of them in small, small ways. Make sure they get their transportation. Make sure they get paid. Make sure they have their food. Make sure that they break for lunch. Whatever you're doing, take that little time off or whatever. So he's one of those people who truly cares about whoever is working for him.
As the sun sets, the crowds grow larger. Back on the sets, it's now past 7 p.m. and joining Ajay is his childhood buddy, filmmaker Sajid Khan.
Hi Janice. I've come here to meet Ajay.
This is the second time I fought a tiger in my life, and now to it's much more easier with
so many safety
trained
precautions.
and,
Yeah.
safety precautions.
क्या हुआ? The tiger
In
was
Vijaypat, I fought a tiger which was
no
like,
safety.
No safety. Him and me in the cage. बंद कर देते थे. Action films turned into stunt films. कि 4 action sequence डाल दो, 2-3 गाने डाल दो, बाकी कहानी तो कुछ भी चल
कहानी
जाएगी.
कुछ भी हो जाएगी.
So that is the difference between making an action film and a stunt film, which I am getting scared has started happening again now.
Yeah, it has.
5 लैंग्वेज में आपने उसको डायलॉग रिटर्न किया, उसका बताइए कुछ ट्रेनिंग की या क्या?
नहीं कोई ट्रेनिंग नहीं की. इन्होंने शूटिंग पे पहुंचा, लंबा चौड़ा एक पन्ना लिख के दे दिया कि ये आपको बोलना है. तो मेरी बैंड बच गई.
Ajay, his real name was Vishal. He was our gang leader in college, in Mitibai College. Gang leader because he was the richest and he was the only one with the money and the cars, and he used to literally pay for our food and our snacks and our movies, and our days to start at 10:30, 11 in the morning outside the canteen till about 10:30, 11 in the night, roaming around. Very few people know this. He's a very, very shy person. He's a very intimate kind of a person. But when he comes out, he speaks from his heart.
It's pack up on day 1 of our visit to Bhopal, and a visibly exhausted Ajay is ready to leave the set and call it a day.
Ajay, you want to quickly tell me about today's shoot? Hectic, crazy.
Hectic. It's what, 11 o'clock.
Which means you've been shooting for how many hours?
Started at 1. So not that bad, but yeah, I don't like night shoots.
How do you plan on unwinding them tonight?
Go home, shower, have a drink, eat something, go to sleep.
What's call time?
Call time tomorrow, I think, is 10.
See you tomorrow.
Bye. Hey, go!
It's our second day on the sets of Satyagraha. It's 11 a.m. and Ajay is running late.
Morning, Ajay.
Morning, Abhi.
Good. What's your day looking like today?
I don't know, I'm late. Could wake up in the morning.
Late night last night?
No, not a late night, but I just got a bad headache.
Okay.
I just go get ready.
पेपर का पेपर का तो आपके पास है वो हमारे आगे आ रहे उधर काला पॉलिथीन लेके इसमें डाल देना. ओके, कोई उठेगा नहीं अपने कौन सा स्कूल है?
On the sets, the crew is all prepped up to shoot with hundreds of school children. With the promise of a picture with their favorite superstars.
Interesting day, Ajay. You like showing the kids? It's an interesting day.
They're shooting with us, we promised them a photograph.
Just a few hours of shoot and it's pack up in Bhopal for the week.
नहीं लेकिन ये यहाँ ही पार्क होता है?
नहीं नहीं सर, ये हैदराबाद से आया।
अच्छा सर।
Wasting no time, Ajay heads straight for the airport.
Sir, you have off and you're going to Bombay, sir.
Who are you? Yes, I have an off year. We just finished our promotion.
Okay, sir.
And I've just finished the shooting of September. Tomorrow's a Sunday. I'm going back home. And I shall be back day after morning.
Flashing his rarely seen flamboyant side, the actor has hired a private jet to zip back to Mumbai.
It's a great feeling always working with superstars. You get the perks, a private jet being one of them.
And the jerks.